Hey, what's up, YouTube family, friends, colleagues? Welcome to Fabric a la carte. Today's video is gonna be how I'm gonna help you to get knowledge and experience in Power BI and get your certificate. I'll show you how. So here you can see I got my certifications in 2021 by the end of the year, and I need to renew this certificate yearly. So every year around November, December, I used to take a reassessment test. So right now I have to prepare by the end of this year to get my certificate renewed. Hi, please do me a favor. Almost 70% of the people who watch my content is not subscribed yet. If you are one of those, please, for you it's free, but for me, it helps a lot. That's gonna help me to create more content for you and for the community. Thank you. So, I'm gonna give you 3 steps to get your knowledge and certificate. So first of all, before that, I want to give you some context about why we are doing this. So there's a web page coming from Fabric community, or this is Microsoft actually. As you can see here, data analysts in average, they are having a salary an average of 90,000 US dollar per year. This is based on LinkedIn Talent Insight and is as of January 2025 in United States. Maybe if you are Canadian like me, your salary is not going to be that high, but this is to give you a reference. So what data analysts are doing right now. So we are specialized in show the data and visualize the data in Power BI, but we can do it through SQL. And in order to do that, we transform data either using notebooks or data flows or store procedures. So the next step is becoming an analytics engineer. So as you can see here, the analytics engineer have more experience or more knowledge and other stuff like lakehouse and data warehouse. They know how to ingest data doing shortcuts, and they can do the ingestion through pipelines and data flows. And that's why their salary is higher than just the data analyst. And the creme, the creme, what we say in Spanish, the top notch is gonna be the data engineer. So right now the data engineer is in average 160K per year, where they do all the other stuff, but not specialized in the end view as a Power BI or SQL, but they prepare or transform the data. They include now Event House, which is real-time intelligence. They are more related with the data sources, so they can do mirroring or prepare the data for the shortcuts, and etc. So 3 things we're gonna do to become a data analyst first. So if you don't have any experience at all in Power BI, you're gonna type dashboard in a day. So by clicking the dashboard in a day Power BI training or the online workshop, this is the page we're gonna get. Here you will have this link where it's going to give you the materials for the workshop. So if you click here, it's going to open a new tab and it's going to give you the zip folder with all the information. It's around 500 megas though, so be aware of that. And the access student content is going to give you the previous page. So also here you will do, so it's around 6 hours. You can do it in less time. So here you can go through all this learning path until completed. So when you feel confident enough, then you can register for an event. So here in the event, is gonna find dashboard in a day. So right now we have coming now in May 12th, between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST. But if you are not confident with that time, you can scroll down and you will see a bunch of workshops for dashboard in a day. So that's the first thing. The second thing we're gonna do is you are going, so here in the data analyst, you're gonna click in this Power BI data analysis associate certification, which is this page, and you are going to do this path. You're gonna to prepare for the exam. So you're gonna do this Microsoft Power BI data analyst path. Is around 7 hours too. It didn't say, but it's gonna be a little bit longer. It's a lot more content, but it's worthy. So this is gonna give you all the fundamentals of Power BI, and you will be almost ready to take the certification. So here you can test your knowledge with the assessment, and the exam is around 100 minutes, and you can schedule the exam here. So that's the second thing. And the third thing is you're gonna click here in the PL 300 study guide. So we are going now to prepare the exam based on the study guide. So you're gonna make sure that you have enough experience and knowledge in getting or connecting to the data. So those are the four main things. You should know in between what is direct query and what is import, and what is the difference between those two. You can create parameters. So here's the list of every single topic that they're gonna ask. Is about 1/4 each, except the last one is the shorter one. But I made a summary here, a table of content, where I asked ChatGPT to get every single Microsoft Learn documentation based on every single topic. So you're gonna go through this. So if you are not sure what identify and connect the data source means, so you are going here to the documentation and you say, yeah, I remember to see this in the lab or in the dashboard in a day. If you are not aware, well, it's a good time to learn, because if you see here all the data are new, all the database sources. So now we have adding the Microsoft Fabric sources as well. But I'll provide this document for you guys, so this job is already done. Also be aware, not all of the links might work, because this was made with AI. So it's something that we need to double check. So that's it. And the last thing you want to do is, when we feel ready now for the exam, we're gonna watch these 4 short videos. Here is gonna give you context about the exam. It's gonna give you overview about every single model. But if you already prepare those 3 steps before, you will find these 4 videos easy. So you can get your certificate within a month if you put some dedication. If you have experience, probably in a couple of weeks you can get done and get your certificate as well. So That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it that you will be up to here. And don't forget to do the YouTube thanks, like, subscribe, everything. And thank you so much. So see you in the next one. Bye.